Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Well, actually, wait. Welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you're not new. So I am so excited for this video because y'all, I really had a vision about these berries, and I said, yo, like, I really have to make this come to life one day. And here it is, y'all. Some of my favorite snack and cereal berries. Stay tuned. Sit back, relax, get you a bev, and enjoy. Mwah. So here's part one. So these are the Nabisco berries. So I have some chipsahoy, some teddygrahams, some Oreos, mini Oreos, and some mini golden Oreos. Y'all, let me just stop talking. Just watch and just goodbye.
All night, say it. All night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Alright, so we're about to start dipping these bad boys because, honey, y'all are gonna love these. I'm telling y'all, everyone loved these. I handed these out at my job, you know, just to show my appreciation to the ladies and some fellas, you know, and they all loved the berries. So here I am, just put it in some toothpicks, you know. It helps when it comes to dipping.
Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that heat of love. I wanna
ride the all night. Work it in the middle.
I wanna
Ride the all night. Work it in the middle.
I wanna
Work it in the middle. Ooh, baby,
Do you remember that one night when we fell in love? What we had felt so right, 'cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what's you, what we've been through, I miss you.
Big ass, I get that ooh, baby. Big ass, I get that ooh. Big ass, I get that ooh, baby.
So here I'm just dipping the berries, placing them on the parchment paper to dry just for a little bit, and then I am just adding the toppings. So later on you'll see me crushing the toppings to make a little crumble, but that is all I did. Enjoy.
Big ass, I get that, get that, get that ooh. Get that, get that, get that, get that ooh. Get that, get that, get that, get that, get that ooh. Get that, get that, get that, get that ooh. Get that, get that, get that, get that, get that ooh. Get that, get that, get that, get that ooh.
But you can't be
All night, say it, I want all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that beat of love. I wanna
ride the boat, all night. Work it in the middle.
I wanna
Ride the boat, all night. Work it in the middle.
I wanna
Work it in the middle. Ooh, baby,
Do you remember that one night when we fell in love? What we had felt so right, 'cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what's you, what we've been through, I miss you.
Big ass, get that ooh, baby. Big ass, get that ooh. Big ass, get that ooh, baby. Big ass, get that, get that, get that ooh, get that, get that, get that, get that ooh, get that, get that, get that ooh.
If y'all hear anything in the back, these people don't got no respect. So please disregard. I'm sorry. But y'all, look at how these berries turned out. Like, oh my goodness. They look beautiful, and let me tell you, they taste amazing. Y'all have to make y'all some. Y'all have to. Thank me later. Now, off to part two. These are the cereal inspired berries. So I basically just used the Fruit Loops, Fruity Pebbles, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and Captain Crunch. And I just repeated the same steps from the first part of the video.
But you giving me
all night. Say it, I want all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it.
Lord, do y'all see these berries I made? Ah, oh my God. Whew, I'm sorry, y'all. Just place your orders. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Comment down below if you liked the video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.